Right there guys, I'm here in Pilanesberg Nature Reserve setting up the trail cameras, and this is my spot. So if you were wondering where I put it, it's in Lategan camp. Basically there's this dry riverbed. Now and again there's a bit of water in it, but I just follow up all the way to the fence line and I put up the trail cams at the fence, so I don't go into the nature reserve, because that is illegal. You have to find the right channels and ask permission if you guys want to do things like that. Now there is one. You can see this is a little access road that the rangers use to check the fences and just be quick about getting from point A to B inside the nature reserve. So I've got my one trail cam pointing towards that riverbed over there, and yeah, there it is. Okay, and then gonna have a look. This is the other one. So they're fairly close to one another, but I reckon because there's a bit of water inside of the, oh, can you all see it? Let's see if it's going to focus. Let me just get closer here. There we go. There's a little bit of water on that side of the fence, so I do reckon animals coming down this walkway here, they're not going to go through the river unless it's an elephant. They're going to check here. They're going to see, oh, there's a bit of water. Let's go and have a drink. Hopefully this camera is going to pick it up as it passes by from that side to that side, or coming in from the front. Now either way, these two trail cams are pointing, well, that one's coming in. Let me just zoom out so you can see my hand from that side, and this one's pointing that way. So they're covering both directions. Now I have seen in the past that these trail cams, the delay between them is not that good. I'm still waiting on a couple of Bushnell trail cams, but if I do get them, I will do full reviews on them, and yeah, you guys can make up your own minds if they are for you or not. But really excited to see if there's anything going to come down here. But obviously I still have a third one, and yeah, I'm going to take you guys there now, so hang on, bear with me, and let's see if we can get there. I will fast forward this bit. Let's get over these rocky terrains. Right, can you guys see it? It's right ahead of us. Hello. Not sure if it's picking us up or not. But yeah, so there's a trail coming down, and then obviously the river here, another trail on that side, another trail on that side, and then obviously the dry riverbed coming through. So I'm hoping that this one's going to pick up anything, but we'll see. So let's check back in here tomorrow, and this basically just continues, and I'll show you where I stay. So here it's a little monkey trail. So there are lots of little vervet monkeys as well, so that's why I have to hide away these trail cams so they don't pull and rip and break them. Naughty little buggers. But yeah, if I go up all the way here, I will, that's a little spider web, I will be able to show you where I stay. And that's it. This is where I'm sleeping tonight. you guys again after we see what's on the trail cams. Alright guys, it's the next day. I'm walking down to this little riverbed now. Kind of see if I can spot any tracks and obviously pick up the trail cameras. By now you guys would have seen what was on them or what were not on them. There's a few more little tracks down here, more monkey tracks. Okay, so this one's still here. I can actually see a vervet monkey jumping around in a tree up there. There's one over here as well. Let's see if I can focus. Can you guys see it? Right over there. Okay, anyway. Let's get this camera off. This one over here. And yeah, I'll continue walking, getting the other three or other two now. Right, one down, two to go. Lots of tracks down here. Obviously a few antelope have walked up and down here. Hopefully we got them on the cams. But I'm not sure. Let's just climb over this guy. Whoa. Last night I could go underneath it. Not today. So nice and rough terrain. And I'm in my flip-flops. Not the best gear to walk around in this terrain. Oh well. There's more tracks here. There's the fence line over there. Let's go see if those two cameras are still there. Right, I can see the first one. It's still here. There's still some water on that side as well. And I don't know if you guys remember with the previous video, we got beautiful brown hyena. It came past here a few times. But okay, guys, I see this one's still here. I'm going to take that off now and just check and see if the other one's still here. It's still here. And I'll actually take off this one first. You can see here. So that's the angle that they were filming at. But yeah. Anyway, guys, that's it from me. If you liked today's Trailcam Tuesday video, please give it a big thumbs up if you're new to my channel and you liked it. why not subscribe? I post Trailcam videos. I try to post Trailcam videos every Tuesday. Lots of wildlife videos on Mondays, and hopefully more exotic pets, how to keep them, how to care for them, and just some interesting facts and things about them on Fridays. But that's it from me. I'll see you guys hopefully next time. Bye for now.